The Outie tool has a hook end and a lever end. The lever end removes your bottom aligner. Position the lever end under your bottom aligner. Wiggle it a little to loosen and push your bottom aligner off. You may fully engage the lever under your aligner in one place or in multiple places and then push your bottom aligner off. The hook end removes your top aligner. Position the hook under your top aligner, wiggle it a little to loosen, and pull your aligner off. Fully engage the hook under your aligner in one place or in multiple places, then pull your aligner off. The Outie tool may also be positioned inside the mouth.